I have the Bigfoot spicy, and I have the holiday sweet chili picante sticks. These are straight yard, guys. Holiday brand. Of course, my Jamaican water crackers, stuffed crackers. Yes. Here is a fast run through of my top up grocery. Here I have some Malta. These are for me. I have some beer. And these beer, guys, they have the lemon taste. Very refreshing when cold. And these, I'm going to do a review on these. These are some energy drink. Kabisa. I'm going to do some review. I have 3 flavors or 4. I'm going to do a review on those. And here we have some sweet chili sauce. Vinegar, you know, we need vinegar to clean our meat and stuff. Oil. We have our tea bags. This is for when I'm doing my whipped cream, tuna. These are some easy sandwich and dip, and even for salad dressing. These are my tomato paste. This is my steak sauce. This is a good brand, guys. I think it's only available in my area. I have my baked bean, my chickpeas. You know, we have to use the thin things to back up. Mayo. Chocolate mix for tea or drink. And a top up on my season, I have black pepper, chili. And this is chili. This is paprika. This is a mild paprika. And this is a white pepper. And this is a season. It's a complete season. And here I have a tin of strawberry in light sugar syrup. Ketchup, of course. My Musquite smoked barbecue sauce. I love this one. My vanilla. And this one, guys, whenever you're doing spicy chicken, this is a Dutch brand, so I don't know if it's available everywhere. This is a Dutch brand. It's chicken. They said chicken piquant. That means pepper chicken seasoning. Macaroni cheese for the boy. We need our brown sugar and our white sugar. And this is a backup of dry thyme when we can't get the fresh one. We have berry brunch or crunch cereal for the boy. We have oats, 2 type. Yes, we use oats a lot. And here is my cocoa powder for when I'm baking. Milk. And when I'm feeling lazy, these are my coconut milk powder. Grace, of course, straight from yard. My cornmeal, rice, flour. And we're going over to the snacks now, guys. These are backup. Some ramen noodles. These are my all-time favorite snacks. Plantain chips. Club Social. I have the wheat. And my festival, I love the coconut cookie. And we're going home again, guys. Look at my, I have the Bigfoot spicy. And I have the holiday sweet chili picante sticks. These are straight yard, guys. Holiday brand. This is a Spanish brand, I think. These are some spicy cheese balls. And of course, my Jamaican water crackers, stuffed crackers. Yes. I run through again, guys. This is just a backup. Yes, and we're going over to toiletry and fabric softener and stuff. Here we have some egg, guys, to top up. And this is also a Dutch brand. It's everyday. I have some backup toothbrush, some cream scrub, body wash, fabric softener, dish soap, Lifebuoy, Medicare, combo, good value. And here I have some Avon roll-on. I have fresh, candid, and sweet honesty. This one smells real good. I have some, we call it Glacial. That's the brand here. It's a green alcohol. We have mouthwash, insect spray, wipes, and these are some multivitamins drops. You just drop them in the water. This is also a Dutch brand. And this is some razor. Yes, so that is my backup mini haul, grocery haul. And that is just a top up, guys. I don't know the prices of food these days in the supermarket. But yeah, we can't eat the money, so we have to spend it, okay? And keep on watching. I have a short video at the end of the video, so continue watching, guys. So here I have some leftover Cordon Bleu chicken, and I just did some mix up of for salad. I have lettuce, cucumber, red onion, carrot, and I just mix everything together. And I have my garlic sauce and my ranch dressing. And this is just a quick and easy salad I did after coming home tired, pack out grocery, didn't want to do any cooking, so the salad was an easy way for me. So hope you guys enjoy it. So just keep on watching, guys. Please like the video, share the video, comment, and do subscribe if you haven't. And when subscribing, guys, please put your bell on so you will get notified whenever I upload another video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who support my channel. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.